I've been looking for his ass. Let's see what that is. The Neo Hoe. There's JP. I don't know where he is, bro.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
I know.
Epique boy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm checking it out, man. Where's JP at?
Look like on the other side.
I want a demo from it too. Should always watch it, man. I got a YouTube channel too. You got the steering with him? Ah, that's crazy. I don't know where he is, dudes. Let's see if I can. Tomorrow I'm going to bring my other phone so I can take some pictures and stuff. Anyway, he ain't around here, so let's go check out some other stuff. All right. Lithium I got, Limitless lithium. Oh, let me see if JP came over. Yeah, that's the lithium batteries. They make the lithium batteries, Limitless lithium. Let's see if JP's over here. It looks like he might be back. Alright, he probably, oh, there he is. Oh, that must be Sundown audio. I don't know who that is. Who's the Sun Crescendo? Oh, what's up, JP?
What's up, man? How you doing? I like
We're
your
live on YouTube. Yeah, you got Down4sound, everything here behind. Oh, this must be his thing. This is your little booth, huh? Oh yeah. I got my subs from you.
Oh, cool. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, the X's. The X. I got the versions too before you guys got the new one.
Oh, it's still great.
Just like you guys just got those like right afterwards.
Yeah, they're still great subs. X,
Yeah.
like, XV2s are awesome subs for sure.
Yeah, I talked to you a couple times. Base Junkie 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the YouTube and I got the Facebook group. So we've been sharing your stuff.
What amp do you have on?
I got a Torrance 8K, but I'm fixing to switch it up. We're gonna get a Salt 8K. We're gonna be getting
Right
that.
here, man.
I ain't got it right now. I wish I could, bro. I spent so much money to come here. You know, I live down in Kentucky. We're Team Base Outlaws. So, are you doing any demos today, or?
Yeah. I guess I'll turn it on right now. Hey, you're
All
about
right.
to...
True that.
Huh? You're about to do demos? Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's what's up. All right, JP gonna give us a demo.
I got it.
Is there a line here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 1,000 people in this. Woo! Man, it is so hot, man. I'm gonna get dude's truck all sweaty. Look, they got matching shirts. I got one too. Hell yeah. Let's turn this around. All right. All right.
Alright.
So, Base Junkie 2020 channel.
That's right.
In here with JP, Down4sound, King of Down4sound.
Call it the end of the song, so it'll restart this.
All right. That's what's up. It's real freaking hot today, dude.
It is.
Put your hands in the air.
Subs are hot, I can smell.
I can smell them too.
You see the last
And the last show I went to on Saturday was not like this.
Oh, nana, look what you done started. Oh, nana, why you gotta act so naughty?
man.
Just push on the door real hard. Don't open up.
All right. All right. Thank you. All right. You guys seen it? Excuse me, y'all. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. That was badass.
Going around one time, James. Going back.
I think it's over here. My bad, dude. I get lost in here. Hold on, I gotta.
Let's do the
He was,
walk.
yeah, but hold on. Let me think now because he was right over here somewhere yesterday. That's the semis. I gotta figure out where he is.
Let's go back on that side on the way back. You know, so we can see those.
Yeah, but he was.
We didn't see both sides, James.
Yeah, but I gotta figure out where he is, Tony. So I remember it was like right over in this corner. I thought, like right here, where Sundown was and all that. Maybe I'm on the. Is there another lane over there? That's the semis. I know it wasn't up this far. He might not be here yet. I don't see him, Tony. Let's go back this way.
Yeah, because I'm just trying to tell you, let's go on this side. So you can see the damn cars on this side.
All right. Yeah, I'm live streaming this, so I'm trying to do this. We gotta.
Hey.
Oh yeah, he was.
Yeah.
There you are. We was looking
Stop
for
that
you.
me?
Are you here?
Did you?
I mean, you're set up.
No, yeah, I'm down here.
I was looking for your spot.
Yeah.
You keep going down here and to the left.
I actually wanted to talk to you about this amplifier right here that I purchased. This guy's going around you.
Okay. Well, I can't get to the booth anyway, so just meet me over there.
You heading in now?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
I'll figure it out. All right. Thank you.
Cool. That's cool. You stopped, man. Cause I was looking for the dude. I was like, what the hell?
There he is.
Yeah.
How did you know? Wait, from yesterday, right?
Yeah, I was talking to him yesterday, so he remembers. How did he know that you bought that amp from him, though?
How did he know that?
I don't know.
The word gets around, don't it?
I guess.
Maybe everyone's seeing me carrying it, looking for him. Look at that idiot carrying that amp. He's supposed to be in-
I told you.
James, the thing's supposed to be in a car, not on my back.
Let's get over here. I told you that. That's why I stopped and said, "Let me think, Tony," because I wanted to. I knew we had passed it, or he was somewhere else. I didn't want to keep walking. And he found us. This is even better.
Yeah, he stopped. He stopped.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, he's a smart guy. Yeah, he has to be to have that company he has. Hang with me, guys. I'm waiting. As soon as he deals with Tony, I'm out of here. Tony wants to talk to him about this 8K or a 13K, whatever. But JP's selling a whole bunch of stuff, so your last ride one, bro. Laugh out. There's an orange one there. Oh, back that way. On are you talking about the audio pipe one? The light blue is sick. Oh yeah, that DC audio. Dude, the Limitless lithium vehicle's badass too. I had it yesterday slapping. You're just gonna have to say something to him, bro.
I was hoping that you just like, it's the only one I asked.
Just walk over here and talk to him, bro, while he's getting that shit out. Just tell him what you got going on. He can hear you while he's working. Yeah, Tony's handling it now, so let Tony talk to him. And then we'll start going again. I think JP's doing some demos. Y'all want to see JP? I'm not gonna get in that line, but I'll film other people getting demos. But Jonathan Price.
I ain't got a deal, but I got a rating.
Clapping. Got tight.
Travis, find somebody to buy them batteries, man.
You still got him over there?
Yeah. All right. Send some people over there.
Yeah.
Pulled up in the Porsche, yeah. Pulled off in the race, yeah. Pulled up in the Porsche, yeah. Pulled off in the race. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen her face. Pulled up in the Porsche, yeah. Porsche, yeah. You should. Got that Rolls Royce. That bitch too.
Ooh, that bitch nasty. Oh man. That was awesome.
Now watch out, people step on you. Neos. Show them the subs. They seen them, but show them again. Love that steering wheel. That's crazy. I'm gonna get this flex again on his doors.
All that I want is some action. Whip this shit up with a fashion. When I pull up, hold up in the dash, hold up in the race, yeah. Hold up in the Porsche, yeah. Hold up in the race, yeah. Hold up in the Porsche, yeah. Hold up in the race.
Yeah, EXO I don't think's here.
Yesterday you should have seen.
That's crazy. Yeah, I want to get on this side. Film it. Hard to hold these damn stickers.
There's some creme brulee. I got niggas in the kitchen that'll raise up and ain't that my fucking race. Get on this. Fucking race. Greasy fingers. All these cars outside, I can't decide which one to drive. And all these hoes outside, I can't decide which one I want inside. Pulled off in them.
Oh yeah. We make my way back around this way. Alright, JB. Let's see. He's got this. He's got so many people who want a demo. Show him the amp. You guys seen it also. Alright, now who y'all want to see? There's the Neo Hoe. We always see it too. JB's got it going down, I think.